Hi everyone. Today we are going to see about Readymade Matrix MLM e-commerce software demo admin site features. First, you need to log in the admin site with the admin ID and password. After you log in into the first, what you see is dashboard. Here you can see how many users are there under you, how much refer bonus you got, how much level bonus you received, how much purchase bonus, how much indirect bonus you received, how much repurchase bonus you received. Everything is visible here. Next we see is joinings. Here the users registered are shown in a chart form. How much payout commission went with how much withdrawal is given also can be seen in the chart view. When we scroll down, we can see our monthly earnings, how much we earned. Also in payout overview, we can see how much payout is in the total, also how much pending, how many payments approved, how many is cancelled by admin is shown in the pie chart view. When we see the recent users list, here we can see the image of the user, name, their profile ID, membership name, date of joining, the tree view, their active or inactive status. In the action menu, you can edit the user information. Next we see is commission wallet. In the commission wallet, we can see the source of payment, whether it is referral bonus or level bonus, from where the bonus contributed, their name and the ID, beneficiary number, their name and ID, the amount, also the date of transaction with time. Next we see is monthly dream performance. In that you can see who are all the top earners, top recruiters, package overview like how much gold packs, how much silver packs, diamond, bronze, everything in the most withdrawal we can see. Who has done the most withdrawal for the month? In the last login, we can see who are all made login recently, and we can see the status of login, also whether it is success or fail. In the transaction overview, we can see the total payout for today and total payout, and for the withdrawal request we can see that today and how many requests are made in total, how many requests are made. In the withdrawal approval page we can see how much for today approval and total. Same for package purchase and user wallet balance. Next in the side, we see product purchase overview. There you can see purchased count for today and total, and pending count for today and total, dispatched count for products today and for total, and delivered count after dispatched how much and total. Then we can see e-pin overview. Here total e-pins available, total purchased, total pending, total used and total unused pin can be seen. Next down we can see promotional links for your social media sites. You can add your social media sites link here. Down we can see the referral link where you can add your referral link and copy this link and send to your user. Next in the menu you see staff management. In the staff management you can see staff name, staff email, their status of active or inactive. If you want to edit, you can edit there and change in the fields. If you want to change, you can also like email, passwords, mobile number, menu such as dashboard, staff management. Those staffs can only view those menus, and with the open the site, only those selected menus will be visible for them. Next we move on to user management. In user management, we can see total users, refer bonus, level bonus, how much purchase bonus they got, how much indirect bonus, and repurchase bonus. How much all we can see here in the joining. Joinings are seen in graph, and also we can see about payout commissions versus withdrawal graphs also. We can see the users left in the users list and how many users are their image, their full name, profile ID, membership they have taken, the email ID, mobile number, join date, their tree view also, action whether you want to edit it, the user info, When you hit search button, basic information of the user is shown. Next we see is user payment. Here you can see members purchase. Though here we can see status of the membership purchase, like if any users have purchased any package, we can see the status of the package, whether they approved it or not. Then we can see the profile ID, username, membership name, payout amount, the pay type, whether offline or on e-pin, pay slip photo, you can view it, the date of pay, then approval or decline date. Then if you want all these report, we can take it in the Excel or PDF format also. Then we see users KYC request. Here we can see the users who have sent the request for KYC approval, their profile ID, name, account holder, account number, IFSC code, bank name, branch of the bank, Aadhaar number, Aadhaar front image, back image, PAN card, PAN image, requested date, status. You can search the users in the search box if you want. These entries in the report format, it is available in the PDF or Excel format also. Then we see is users KYC approved list. Here you can see users profile ID, name of user, account holder name, account number, IFSC code, bank name, branch, Aadhaar front and back image, PAN card, PAN image, requested date, approved date and status whether the approved or not. Also, we can search for user in the search button. If you want all the users in the report format, you can download it in the PDF and Excel format also. Then we see users KYC declined list. There we can see profile ID, name, account holder, account number, IFSC code, bank name, branch, Aadhaar card number, front and back image, PAN card, PAN image, requested date, decline date, status of the approval. Then if you want to search any user with the search option, we can do it. If you want all these in the report format also, we can get it in PDF and Excel format. Next you can see is users KYC not updated list. Here you can see people who have not updated their KYC. Then you can see the profile ID, name of the user, join date, user status, active or not, all can be seen. With search button you can do search users also. Then if you want these in a report format, Excel and PDF format is available. Now we will see about network. Here we can see menus such as tree structure, downline members, referral list, drop down view. In tree structure we can see the tree view for each member. We can select the each user and view each member below the each selected user. If you wish to see it in list format for better understanding, you can see in the list format also. There are also search options are available in the list. We can see name, sponsor, who brought the user and placement, level, join date, tree structure. Next is we see referral users list. In referral users list, you can select the users from the select box and search for the users referred by the selected users. Also, we can check for each levels like which level and the current user, how many people have joined. All the details can be seen here. Drop down view. If you click each user name under them, how many users there can be seen for each level. Next we see is plan settings. In plan settings we can see general settings. Here you can view general plan settings. These fields given here are mandatory fields. Here you can fix the minimum withdrawal amount you want your user to arrive for, withdrawal to attain. Next the tax amount you can fix, GST percentage we can fix. Then we can fix matching bonus. Matching bonus limit also we can fix. Repurchase bonus amount. After all, you can update and reset it. In the membership management, we can see membership name, amount, referral count, direct referral percentage, level income, purchase bonus, creation date, status. You can enable or disable in the action button. You can edit the details too in the action, and if you want to search, you can use the search options for searching users too. Next we see is product management. In that you can see product categories. In product categories you can see category management. There you can see category name, their active, inactive status, action button where you can edit, you can add, see active or inactive button where you can select, record and view their status. You can add category also in the add category button. Next we see is product management. There you can see product code, date, status, cost, active or inactive status. If you enable it, those products will be user visible to the user. If inactive, users cannot view or purchase it. Here you can add stock by clicking the edit option. There also you can see with active and inactive button. Here also you can search products. You can add with the add products with add products button. Next we see is purchase management. There you can see the purchase list. You can see the options like profile ID. There you can select your ID in status. You can choose all, pending, approved, cancelled, from pay date and to pay data, and all the search users according to it. Next in the list you can view transaction ID, profile ID, pay date, approved or cancelled date, pay slip, invoice action such as approved or cancelled. Next we see if you want the report in the Excel format or also the PDF format, it is available. Then we see is dispatch list. In the dispatch list we can select profile ID, status, pay date, to pay date. Choose the filters to find the data we want. Also no filter option is available for not filtering while searching data. Down there you can see entries, transaction ID, profile ID, pay date, approved or cancelled date, pay slip, invoice you can search it, action where it is approved or not. In search option you can search entries you want. If you want these entries in document, you can take it in Excel format too. If you click Excel, it will be downloaded in the Excel format. Next we see is delivery list. Here we can see the list of products approved from the dispatch for delivery. There also you have search filters such as profile ID, to pay date, from pay date, status, from dispatch date to delivery date, from pay date to dispatch date. Down in the list you can see transaction ID, name, pay date, courier name, courier number, dispatch date, delivery address, invoice. You can view it within the search button. Action for delivered, make delivered. You can take this as report format with Excel report. Stock management. If you can see options, stock list, stock sold, wastage. First we see is stock list. We can see products name, stock count, poster date, IP address with search button. We can also search for product and see with add stock button you can add a select product for adding and stock count and submit it. Next we see is stock sold. There we can see product name and the purchase made for today and how many purchases sold last week, last month, last years, and total and remaining stock. With the help of search button you can search for your product, and if you wish. Next we see is waste management. There you can see product name, the wastage count, the reason for wastage, the poster and date and IP. You can search for products in the search button. Also with add wastage you can see menu, select product, wastage count, reason for wastage, and you can submit it. Next you see is EPIN management. Here you can see menus such as EPIN generate, EPIN list, EPIN approval, active EPIN, used EPIN, EPIN transfer history, user EPIN transfer history. First we see is EPIN generate. There you can fix for what membership, how many keys can be fixed. Next we see is EPIN list. There you can see purchased EPIN list. You can see EPIN number, membership type, purchased user ID, purchased user name, EPIN used user name and date. Next we see is EPIN purchase details. There you can see status of pending purchase. Then you can see the profile ID, username, EPIN membership package, amount, payment mode, payslip image, payment date, approved or declined date, approved or declined by whom, who's the authority. Then you can see the actions like approve or cancel. Next we see is search button. You can search for entries, and if you want it in a report, Excel or PDF format also available. Next we see is active EPINs. There you can see profile ID, user name, EPIN membership package. If you want to search for any user, search button is also available. Then if you want it in report format, Excel or PDF report format is available. Next we see is used EPINs. There you can see the EPIN ID, membership package, purchased user, purchase user name, the EPIN is used by whom, what can be seen in EPIN used, user, their username. Then if you want for any entry you can search it in the search box, and for report format also excellent PDF is available. Now we'll look into EPIN transfer. Here you can see fields like select profile ID, select membership and EPIN. How much you want to transfer to which ID and which membership they choose. If you submitted, selected numbers of EPINs will be transferred to the member. This is EPIN transfer. Next we see is EPIN transfer history. User EPIN transfer history. What we see in EPIN transfer history is here we see the entries which has profile ID, EPIN ID, membership package, transfer date for EPIN, transfer occurred. Here also search option is available for searching and for any entries, and for report excellent PDF option is available. Next we see is user EPIN transfer history. Here we can see entries for transfer happened. We can see transfer from which ID and where it happened, and transfer to which ID, and next EPIN name, membership package, transfer date also available. The search option is given for searching any entries, and with the export or report options is available in Excel or PDF format. Next we see is payout management. There you can see menus like referral commission, level commission, purchase commission and matching commission. First we see is referral commission. There you have search menus such as receiver ID, from date, to date. Down we can see list of entries where it has sender ID, sender name, receiver ID, receiver name, commission amount, reason, date also. Here search button is available for searching the entries, and for the report format Excel or PDF option is also available. Next we move on to level commission. There you can see entries and search options filter menus such as receiver ID, from date, to date is available. Also in the entries you get to see receiver ID, receiver name, commission amount, reason, date if you want. Search entries, search option is available, and for the report format excellent PDF option available. Next we see is purchase commission. There you can see for filter option for searching such as receiver ID, bonus type, from date, to date. Also in entries down we can see sender ID, sender name, receiver ID, receiver name, commission amount, reason and date. With search option we can search entries you want. With report and Excel PDF options are also available. Next we see is matching commission. There you can see search option with the filter menu such as receiver ID, bonus type, from date, to date. Then in the entries you can see sender ID, sender name, receiver ID, receiver name, commission amount, reason and date. Search menu is available for entries, and Excel and PDF format is available for report format. Next we see is transaction settings. There you can see menus such as withdrawal request, withdrawal approved, withdrawal cancelled. First we see withdrawal request. There the withdrawals which are pending are available. Only after admin approval it will be approved. Here also filter options such as receiver ID, from date, to date is available. Also in the entries you can see the profile ID, username, subject, message, requested amount, TDS percentage, pay amount, account holder, account number, IFSC code, bank name, branch, details of the inquiry, IP address, also status of the request, whether it is approved or pending. Next we see is withdrawal approved request. Here you can see the approved request. Here also the filter options available such as receiver ID, approved from date and approved to date. Also in the entries we can see the profile ID, username, subject, request amount, TDS percentage, payment amount, account holder name, account number, IFSC code, bank name, branch request date, approved date, IP address. Also in the search option is available. For report option, PDF and Excel format is available. Next we see is withdrawal cancel request. Here you can see the cancel requests that are did not approved by the admin. Here also the filter menu for search such as receiver ID, cancelled from date, cancelled to date for filtering. Next in the entries we can see profile ID, username, subject, message, requested amount, TDS percentage, pay amount, account holder, account name, IFSC bank and other details. Status such as cancelled, the reason also available. Next we see is report. Here we can see all the reports such as user report, membership report, income report, matching bonus report, product purchase report, product delivery report, withdraw report. First we see is user report. In user report you can see the number of total users joined. Here also search option is available with profile ID, status, from join date to join date. Also entries available with list showing profile IDs, full name, sponsor ID, sponsor name, email, mobile number, membership join date and user status whether active or inactive. Here also you can search with the entries with search button. Also for reporting, Excel and PDF formats are available. Next we see about membership purchase report. Here we can see the purchase list of members bought by the user. Here also in the filter search options available. Down we can see how much amount is pending, approved, how much and cancelled. Down in the entries we can see the profile ID, user name, membership name, payment amount paid by the user, pay type, e-pin or offline, payslip image, payment reason, purchase date, approve or decline date, pay status whether approved or pending. Next, what we see is income report. Here you can see the income report for all the users. Here also search option with filters available such as profile ID, status, from date to due date. Also total income can be seen down. The next we see is entries. There we can see the profile ID, username, from user ID, from username, pay amount, payment reason, pay date. Search option are also available here for entries and for the report Excel and PDF format is available. Next we see is matching bonus report. Here we can see overall got matching bonus after completing the level. Here we can see the filter options and down that total income from matching bonus can be seen. Next in the entries we can see the people profile ID, username, user ID, from which name, payable amount, payment reason, pay date. Search option also available. For reporting, Excel and PDF format is available. Next we see is product purchase report. Here we can see the report for all the products purchased by the user. A filter menu is available also. Down we can see the total amount got from product purchase. Next in the entries we can see the transaction ID, profile ID of user, username, payout amount, pay date, invoice. In the search menus we can see the invoice submitted by the user and in the search button with the status you can see the approved or pending or cancelled. Then in the search option available we can search for the entries and for reporting PDF and Excel format is available. Next we see is product delivery report. Here you can see the approved purchase waiting for delivery approved. With the search filters options you can search for products which are pending for delivery and for the approved delivery in entries. Down in we can see the entries such as transaction ID, profile ID, username, pay date, courier name, courier number, delivery date, address, invoice and action. Next we see is withdrawal report. In the withdrawal report list, we can see the report for users who have requested for withdrawal and its status with the total withdrawal amount, profile ID, subject, message, amount, TDS percentage, TDS reduced amount, account holder name, account number, IFSC, bank name, branch date, IP, reason and status of the withdrawal request, such as approved or cancelled. Next, we move on to e-wallet. Here we can see the admin wallet and the user wallet. Now we will see about the admin wallet. Here you can see the total amount credited, debited amount, total commission earned. Down we see the summary, admin earnings, user earnings. There you can see in summary product purchase, how much pack purchase amount, e-pin purchase amount, referral income, level income, matching income, purchase income, repurchase income, indirect purchase income. Next, in admin settings, you can see the entries with the reasons from where earnings have come, amount, date with search option. You can search for the desired entries. Next, we move on to user earnings. Here we can see the how much users have earned. There you can see the profile ID, reason, amount, date. Here also search button is enabled. Next, we move on to user wallet. Here you can see total earnings such as total credit earned, total withdrawal, total amount in the wallet, total referral bonus, total level bonus, total matching bonus, total purchase bonus, total indirect purchase bonus, total repurchase bonus, total amount, total downline sales amount, and e-pin purchase amount. Next, we move on to business report. In the business report, you can see business report and the miss out income. In the business report, you can see the total income, total bonus, paid how much, pending how much profit earned, everything can be seen. The two options like business summary, the admin settings. In the business summary, you can filter and search the report and down. You can see the package amount, total charges, total paid, total pending. Next down we can see the bonus report. There you can see the referral bonus, level bonus, matching bonus, purchase bonus, repurchase bonus, indirect purchase bonus. Next we see is miss out income. What does it mean is if the membership is not activated due to reasons for any user, or if a user is inactive, the income will not be added to the user. This is called a miss out income. Here you can see with filter search options, down you can see the total income, how much in the entries, how can see and the list of entries in the miss out income. Next, we move on to site settings. Pages here you can see are slider management, change password, change address, site settings, bank details, upload document, FAQ feedback management, review management, subscribers management. First, we will see about slider management. In the slider management is where we can see all the contents we see in the website can be edited here. The images, the language, the content such as English content, Tamil content for sliders. The status of the sliders can be enabled or disabled from the showing for now. In action button, you can edit the image and content if you wish. You can delete also if you wish. Next is change password. Here you can change the password for the admin side. In change address field, you can change the address for your company. Necessary fields are given to change with that you can change the address. Next is site settings. Here you can change your website contents such as website title, index title, website keywords, description of your website, website team name, website URL, site currency, admin email, phone numbers, Skype, and all other details available. Here on social media links for site account, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, all your links can be given here. Your users will see it, click and follow. Then website logo, website footer logo, admin profile website, everything can be changed. You can change it if you wish and save it. Next we see is bank details. Here you can change the bank details which you manage in your website. If your users makes any payment, it will be added to your bank amount which you give on the site. In the entries you can see the amount holder's name, account number, IFSC number, and all the bank details, also with GPay number, phone pay number, status, whether you want to keep active the bank account. With the action button you can edit the bank details. Next we move on to upload document, where you can upload the necessary documents needed to be features with the date, IP documents, status. In action you can edit and delete. Next we can see is FAQ, which is frequently asked questions. Here you can list in your website the frequently asked questions user asked you so that the other users can see it and clear their doubts. You can activate or inactivate it to the user. Then with the edit option, you can edit the FAQs if you want. You can delete also if you want. Next, we move to inquiry management. Here you can see all the inquiries the users have made, the subject, their email ID, date of inquiry, reply date. If you want to reply, you can be done. And also in the action, you can view it and delete it too. Next, we see is the review management. Here you can see the name, profile ID, product name, message they sent, rating they have given for the product, date also from which IP, the status whether to make it enable or disable. Action you can edit it and delete it. You can delete the record, active record, inactive record. Next, we move on to subscribers management. If any of your subscribers have subscribed to your news, you can see that here. If you can reply to them, or if you want the delete, you can delete it too. Next, we move on to CMS management. In the CMS management, you can see the menus like index CMS, about us CMS, how it works CMS, and other CMS. Now we'll look into the index CMS. Here you can see and edit contents you see in the index of your website. There you can edit contents for your email. Next we move on to other CMS. Here you can change the contents in the about page of your website, such as secure and safe content, advanced features, referral earnings, something about us, YouTube URL contents in the Tamil and English video image, business image, title, everything can be edited. Next is how it works CMS. In how it works CMS, we can see the contents you update in the and how it works, which says about the business model of the company. Join as member content. Buy product is content and other business models such as income earning, such as commission chart, process, sponsor, bonus, images. All contents are seen here. All these can be edited and updated. Next, we move on to is other CMS, where we can update about your company terms and conditions, privacy policy, other contents, legal disclaimers, buy and back, refund policy, and other policies are given here. You can edit it and update it. Next, we move on to business settings. There you see your email settings and the project inquiry. First, we see is email settings. There you have fields like necessary for the email communication setup. This is used for the communication within the software between the admin and the user and the admin. Menus such as SMTP host, SMTP port, SMTP username, SMTP password all can be set and updated. Next we see is project inquiry details, where if any users or people who see your website and make an inquiry about it, those contents can also be seen here. There you can search for the inquiry using filters. Then in the entries you can search for the particular entry. If you can see, you can name, email ID, mobile number, country, IP, date, and everything. If you want in report format, excellent PDF options are available. Next, we move on to support center. There you can see the menus, mail statistics, inbox, outbox, read mail, unread mail, forward mail, all options. First, we see is mail statistics. There you can see the total inbox mail, total outbox mail, total read mail, total unread mail, total forward mail, compose mail. Options you can compose new mail with the compose button. Next we see is inbox. Here you can see all the mails you received and you can read it. You see action menus such as view and forward it, reply to mail, delete also. Then you have search option to search any menu. There you can see compose mail option. You can create a new mail. Next in outbox mail, you can see the mails you sent. In the read mail, you can see mails you read, unread mail, forward mail if you want to forward any mail or to see forwarded mail. Next we see is testimonial management. There you can see all testimonials for your business. With add testimonials, you can add new testimonial. You can see the username, title, comments, date, IP address, active or inactive status. You can enable and disable it. With action, you can edit and delete it. Next is news management. Here you can see news you posted in your website about which has images, news in your preferred language status of the news, whether to activate or deactivate it for users view. Then in search option we can see search for any views actions such as edit news or delete if you want. In add news you can add any new news. This is news management. Next we see is event management. In the event management, you can add events that happen that can be seen in your website in your desired language. You can add related image for the news contents with the search option. You can view any news you want with the add event option. You can add new events to the list for viewing with options like inactive and active. You can choose the particular event you want users to view or inactivate. Makes the user cannot see it. With the delete option, you can delete the event. This is event management. Next we see is videos management. In the videos management, you can add videos which you want your users to see. There you can post links about videos, titles, status, whether you want to activate or inactive, actions where you can edit the videos and delete it if not needed. With search option, you can search for videos in the list. With the add videos, you can add new videos to the website so the user can see this video. This is called video management. Next you see is advertisement. In the advertisement, you have advertisement management where you can list your advertisement which you want your users to see it. Then you can add images for your advertisement, location, link, status for the making, active or inactive for users to view, action button to edit or delete, and any advertisement. Next you see is country management. In the country management, you can see the list of countries given. There, if you want your users to come from one particular country, you can edit it. With the state option also, you can edit that. If you want activate users from that selected country and that selected state will be able to join the company, else they will be not allowed. Or if you don't want any users to come from one particular country or state, you can edit that too. With the active inactive button, you can change. With the edit option, you can edit countries, and with the delete, you can delete the country. This is country management. Next you see is word management. The word management, you can see the language management and words management. First we see is language management. Here you can add languages you want to display in your website to the users. You can add your preferred language. You can see the language code, language name, status, active or inactive. With the active users can view the menu options in the language we enable. With the action button, you can edit it and you can activate it, and deactivate button, you can inactivate. This is language management. Next we see is word management. In the word management, you can add words in the language you prefer to be shown in the website to the users, especially for pre-texted contents and for the pop-up notifications and other informations which to be shared with the user. For example, you can add KYC updated successfully in the language you choose for user understanding. When the user uses the website in the desired language, the KYC updation after they have done will be shown in the preferred language only. You can add new words with the language button. Search for the word with the search option. You can change the status of the word active or inactivate it if not needed. With action button, you can edit or delete it. This is word management. So these are all the menu options available in the Matrix e-commerce MLM software admin demo. All the menus and contents given here can be edited, and if you want to add any new menus, it can be done. Since it is a demo video, the values we have given can be edited or changed. If you want to buy software from us, you can contact us with the number below. If you have any doubts, you can reach out to us. We are MLM software company located in Chennai Anna Nagar with 16 plus years of experience and delivered 800 plus successful projects to the client. Thank you.